Tomtoc Electronics Organizer Travel Case Review, a stylish and sustainable tech pouch. Staying organized while traveling or commuting can be a challenge, especially when dealing with tangled chargers, cables, and accessories. The Tomtoc Electronics Organizer Travel Case is designed to solve this problem in style. This soft, puffy tech pouch is not only lightweight and compact but also made from 100% recycled nylon, making it a sustainable choice for eco-conscious buyers. In this review, I'll break down its features, usability, and whether it's worth adding to your travel essentials. Key features and benefits. Elegant and eco-friendly design. The Terra Elegance collection stands out with its minimalist design and sustainable materials. The soft yet structured exterior gives it a premium feel, while the sleek Lakeshore color adds to its aesthetic appeal. Measuring 8.3 inches by 5.1 inches 2.1 inches, this pouch is compact yet spacious enough for your essentials. Smart organization for everyday use. This travel case offers a well-thought-out compartment system with mesh pockets and slip compartments, making it easy to store everything from chargers and cables to cosmetics and small accessories. Whether you're packing for a business trip or just need a daily tech pouch, it helps keep things organized and accessible. Lightweight and portable. Weighing only 85 grams, 0.19 pounds, this organizer is easy to carry in a handbag, backpack, or suitcase. The puffy texture also provides a layer of protection for delicate items like a phone, earbuds, or external hard drives. Durable and sustainable materials. Made with recycled nylon and featuring YKK Nylon Plus zippers, the Tomtoc organizer prioritizes both durability and sustainability. The fabric is resistant to wear and tear, ensuring long-term use. Pros and cons. Pros. Eco-friendly, made from recycled materials. Compact and lightweight, perfect for travel. Multiple compartments for easy organization. Soft, stylish, and protective design. Versatile, use it as a tech pouch, makeup bag, or travel organizer. Cons. May be too small for those needing larger storage space. Limited color options are available. Is it worth buying? If you're looking for a sleek, lightweight, and eco-friendly way to keep your small accessories organized, the Tomtoc Electronics Organizer Travel Case is a fantastic choice. Whether you use it for tech gadgets, cosmetics, or travel essentials, its smart design and durable materials make it a worthwhile investment. Highly recommended. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.